Most people buy cookware based on the sticker price. But at Wade Media Labs, we calculate the buy twice tax, the hidden cost of equipment that fails prematurely. We decided to calculate the decay rate of 20 popular cookware sets. We wanted to find the exact intersection of metallurgical integrity and long-term financial value. We subjected every set to accelerated lifecycle testing. This included 1,000 thermal shock cycles and a standardized abrasive wear audit to measure how fast the surface and structure degrade. We define the decay rate as the loss of functional performance over time. For non-stick, this meant surface tension failure. For stainless, it was a measure of rivet stability and base warping. We then ran the math to find the cost per meal. We divided the retail price by the projected number of successful cycles before reaching a critical decay threshold. The results were definitive. One mid-range set outperformed luxury brands by providing a cost per meal of less than 2 cents over a projected 10-year lifespan.
It is the ultimate ROI winner.
Cheap pans are expensive in the long run. In the workshop of the kitchen, durability is the only metric that truly saves you money. See the full decay logs, the cost per meal rankings, and our top value winner at cookwarescout.com. Look for the decay rate report.